the tree, how big it's grown. But friends, it hasn't been too long. It wasn't there. I laughed at her and she got mad. The first day she planted it was just a twig. And the first snow came, and she ran out to brush the snow away, so it wouldn't die. Came running in all excited, slipped and almost hurt herself, and I laughed till I cried. She was always young at heart, kinda dumb and kinda smart, and I loved her so. And I surprised her with a puppy, kept me up all Christmas Eve 2 years ago. And it would sure embarrass her when I came in from work late, 'cause I wouldn't know that she'd been sitting there crying over some sad and silly late show. And honey, I miss you, and I'm feeling good, and I'd love to be with you, if only I could. She wrecked the car and she was sad, so afraid that I'd be mad, but what the heck? Though I pretend hard to be, guess you could say she saw through me and hugged my neck. I came home unexpectedly, caught her crying needlessly in the middle of the day. And it was in the early spring, when flowers bloom and robins sing, she went away. And honey, I miss you, and I'm being good, and I'd love to be with you, if only I could. One day while I was not at home, while she was there all alone, the angels came. Now all I have is memories of honey, and I wake up at night and call her name. Now my life's an empty stage, where honey lived and honey played, and I love grew up. And a small cloud passes over it and cries down on the flower bed that honey loves. And see the tree, now how big it's grown, but friends, it hasn't been too long, it wasn't big. And I laughed at her and she got mad, the first day she planted it was just a twig. And I love